Good morning, everybody. In the previous day, I have already completed chapter 13. That's why I repeat. I repeated chapter 13, questions are fill in the blanks, word meanings, synonyms, and all, etc. etc. Today, I discussed again chapter 14. The name of the story is The Paper Makers, and it is a nature story taken from Britain. Okay, and in this story, this story describe about two insects, that is wasps and bee. At first of all, there are some likeness and unlikeness. There is a difference between wasps and bee, and then the author discussed there is some likeness, similarity. That is, first of all, they are alike. How they are alike? Now, both might have may give you us both have a sharp sting, wasps and bee, but in many ways they are unlike. How they are unlike? The wasp has a thinner and longer body than the bee. It is more brightly colored and is much less hairy than the bee. Okay, and then came the wasp nest. Discuss about wasp nest. Wasps make their nest in holes in the ground, and sometimes we find the wasp holes hanging in a sheltered spot under the edge of a roof. It looks something. What does it look? It looks something like a lantern of grey paper. Early spring, mother wasps or queen wasps, she is called queen wasp, mother wasp, wakes from the long winter sleep. Then she was chosen a place for her nest and begins building it at once. And then her nest is made of paper. And where does she get from paper from? And she makes it herself by chewing up tiny bits of wood which she had scraped from some tree trunk or fence post. Okay, and although the nest is made of paper, but it is too much strong than to keep out rain and wind. It is much stronger. Men have been glad to take a lesson from this lesson in paper making from the wasps. How? Today most of our newspapers are printing on paper made from wood, yet our paper makers cannot make out of wood any paper as fine as that made by these clever little insects. Okay, when the nest is strong enough, the mother wasp builds a few cells in it, as we made a building and as we made some rooms, different similar, and similarly the wasp builds a few cells in it. These cells, which are really small rooms, and quite like the cells of a bee's honeycomb. As the bees collect its honeycomb, similarly the cells of wasps look like, except they are made of paper, not of wax. Honeycomb is made of wax, and the cells of wasps made of wax. Okay, made of paper. In each cell, the queen wasp lays a tiny white egg. After a week or more, these eggs hatch and become wasp grubs. Another week passes and the grubs turn into young wasps. All this time the mother wasps had been very, very busy to make the food, to build more cells in which they lay more eggs. Besides these works, she has had to find food for hungry young grubs. It is a good thing for her that the children are soon able to help with the housework. At first the young wasps help to look after the grubs, look after their small ones which are still in their cells. Later they fly off in search of food or to fetch tiny wood, saving with which to make their home bigger. What do wasps eat? Now the foods of wasps. What do they eat? They, like bees, they sip the sweet nectar of flowers, although they do not use it to make honey. The bee make the nectar to make honey, but they do not use it to make honey. The juices of ripe fruits and stolen jam and honey are also very favorite food of wasps. Wasps often do harm to the fruit in an orchard. That is why a gardener burns down when they saw a nest of wasps, they burn it. Why? Because sometimes the wasps harm to the fruit. Perhaps the gardener forgets that the wasps eat many small insects which also do harm to the fruit. When summer is over and the cold winds of winter are felt, the wasps find themselves short of food. They have the scarcity of food. They faced the scarcity of food, for they have no store of honey. Before long, they begin to die of cold and hunger. A few daughter wasps who have been better fed than the others in the nest live through the winter in some sheltered corner. When spring comes to call the earth to life again, each of these becomes a queen wasp and begins to build a nest for herself. In this way, the lives of wasps and bee are going on, rolling on. And how they make, in this story, the author describes how the wasps make their nest of paper, and it is very strong. Now the queen wasps are very busy at that time, etc. and etc. Okay, in this way I also again repeat this story. Now I discuss some question answers and word meanings also. Okay, word meaning: wasps, a winged insect. Scratch. Honeycomb is structure made by bees to store honey and eggs. Hatch, to produce young from eggs. Wasp graph, larva of a wasp. Nectar, a sugary fluid secreted within flowers. Okay, now I give you some question answers. How does the queen wasp build a house for the wasps? After a long winter sleep, the queen wasp had chosen a place for a nest. She begins building it at once. She makes it herself by chewing up tiny bits of wood which she has scraped from some tree trunk or fence post. In this way, the queen wasp makes her house of paper for the wasps. How is it that the rain and the wind do not harm the queen's house of paper? The wasp's net is made of paper. Though it is made of paper, it is very strong enough to keep out rain and wind. What are the stages through which the wasp had to pass through before it is born? The stages through which the wasp had to pass through before it is born are a tiny white egg, then wasp grubs, then young wasps. In each cell, the queen wasp lays a tiny white egg. After a week or more, these eggs hatch and become wasp grubs. Another week passes and the grubs turn into young wasps. Okay, how does the mother wasp keep herself busy? The mother wasp is always very busy. She has had to make the nest larger, and so she has had to build more cells in which to lay eggs. Besides, she is very busy to find food for her hungry young grubs. Then I give you some fill in the blanks, that is, complete the following sentences. The young wasps fly off to fetch tiny wood savings from because they want to make their home bigger. Number B, a gardener burns down a wasp's nest whenever he finds one because wasps often do harm to the fruit in an orchard. Then when winter sets in, the wasps find themselves suit for food because they have no store of honey. Then word practice. Which words in the passage mean the following? That is word meaning: collect, store; drink, sip; crushing with teeth, chewing; insect bite, sting, etc. I give you some opposite words. Now I write the opposite words of the following. That is: die, live, late, early, raw, ripe, remember, forget; sour, sweet; stupid, clever; summer, winter; idle, busy. Now I give you some extra question answers. Name two insects that are used in the story The Paper Makers. The two insects which are described in the story, which are mentioned in the story, are the paper makers, and in the story paper makers are a bee and a wasp. A bee and a wasp both are insects, but there are some differences between them. What are the differences between them? Wasps and a bee both are insects, but in many ways they are different from one another. The wasp had a thinner and longer body than the bee. It has a bright color and is much less hairy. Where do you see a wasp nest? We see a wasp nest in holes in the ground under the edge of a roof and under the edge of a roof. What does a wasp nest look like? A wasp nest looks like a lantern of grey paper. From whom do men take a lesson of paper making? Men take a lesson in paper making from the wasps. Who makes cells in the nest of wasp? The mother wasp makes cells in her nest. What is the bee's nest called? The bee's nest is called honeycomb. What is the honeycomb made of? The honeycomb is made of wax. What do wasps eat? Wasps sip the sweet nectar of flowers, the juices of ripe fruit, and stolen jam and honey are also their favorite food. Who and when begins to build a nest for herself? When spring comes, the queen wasp begins to build nest for herself. So I will again repeat all question answers, word meanings and others and others. Now I show you these pages once or 2 seconds. Okay. So now I complete question answers, fill in the blanks, opposite words, similar words, etc. and full exercises I will again do in your class, and you must read it thoroughly and prepare yourself for the literature exam. Okay, thank you.